Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. So, this is a exercise of error correction. Omitted इसमें एक word छूटा हुआ. This one is omission. One example is done for you. Tears are produced by tear glands which keep the eye moist and are normally drained the nose.
By the nose.
By
Who
the
wants
nose. Ma'am, through,
by the
through
nose?
या by?
Through the nose. Through ज़्यादा suitable लग रहा है. नोज के द्वारा वो निकलता है. Through the nose. Onions, a number of water soluble. Onions, a number of water
Contain, ma'am.
soluble.
Contain.
Yes, very good. Onions contain. Onions contain a number of water soluble volatile substances containing sulfur. Uh,
Containing.
containing onions contain a number of volatile substances.
And which containing sulfur?
Uh, Onions contain a number of water-soluble volatile substances containing sulfur. Cutting the onion, these spread the air and cause irritation. Uh, who will answer this?
Ma'am, when cutting the onion.
Advait, you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am. I can.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to answer this?
Yes, ma'am. When
This one?
cutting the
Uh,
onion, these
uh,
sulfur, these substances spread the air.
yes. When or while also.
Yes, ma'am. While.
While
That's
also
more
is
suitable.
while is better. While cutting the onion, these
Ma'am, can
spread
I?
the. Okay, Shreyasi,
Ma'am, these spread in the air.
very good. Spread in the air. These spread in the air. See, in if you get these kind of exercises, all the sentences here are interlinked. So you have to read the paragraph as a whole. Suppose you are not finding the word, so you read the sentence which comes before, you read the sentence that comes after, because it is interlinked. No, so only when you understand the meaning of the whole of the paragraph as a whole, then only you can solve it. So read it as a whole, don't read as separate sentences. So, spread in the air and cause irritation in the eyes. The tear glands start secreting more and more tears.
To
Wash out.
Ma'am,
Yes,
to
to
wash out
wash
the
out
air.
the irritate.
To
yes,
wash out the
yes,
irritants.
yes. To wash out the irritants. The tears produced. The tears are produced fast that they cannot be drained out. The tears
Ma'am,
are
so that. So that.
नहीं नहीं, सो तो होगा लेकिन किस जगह? The
Ma'am,
what?
between fast and that.
No, between
Ma'am, so fast.
between this produce so fast. The
Oh,
tears are produced so fast that they cannot be drained out. So fast. The tears are produced so fast that they cannot be drained out through the nose. देखो बोले थे ना कि आगे का लाइन भी पढ़ो, आगे का लाइन पढ़ोगे कि इतना फास्ट करता है कि वो नोज से नहीं जा सकता, एंड सो रन डाउन द आईज. You get my point? See, through the so fast that they cannot be drained out through the nose, and so run. Which word you can include
So,
in this line?
ma'am, so is also grammatically correct there.
See, no, you get the meaning of the sentence कि आंसू इतने जल्दी निकलते हैं कि वो सिर्फ नोज से नहीं निकल सकते, इसीलिए वो आंखों से निकलते हैं. If you add it here, then that meaning will not come. The tears are produced so fast.
Ma'am, they run, so they run down the eyes.
Yes, yes, very good. So they run down the eyes, thus making cry.
Making us cry.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, Aditya. Aditya Raj, your answer is correct, making us cry. Okay. So there is an error. This is a paragraph in which in every line there is one mistake. Intelligence is praised to one and all. What is the mistake? Intelligence.
By instead of to.
Yes, Pragya, your answer is correct. By. Intelligence is praised by one and all. We say that intelligence means इसमें कोई we is there any mistake in the second line? और तो कुछ गलती लग नहीं रहा है. से के जगह कुछ और वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं. We say that intelligence means. So in this line there is no error, I think.
Ma'am, there is
What? We say that intelligence means being able to solve problems. We believe
ma'am,
we believe that intelligence means we agree. You can substitute say with some other word, otherwise there is no mistake. Okay, move on to this line. इसमें खोजो. Hello.
animals instead of
Animals.
Yes, animals. Seem able to do it. Who will answer?
Able.
Yes, able. Seem.
Able.
Yes, seem able. Some animals seem able to do this. For example, cats often find.
Their way, ma'am.
Yes,
Their way.
yes, their way.
A.
This is Dheeraj. Dheeraj Kumar. Dheeraj, can you hear me? Anukul.
Ma'am,
Anukul.
had
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो. Had के जगह क्या होना चाहिए?
Ma'am, have.
Yes.
Ma'am, have.
Have. Yes, Anukul, your answer is correct. To do this, they have to remember and think. Young birds are also able to make long journeys.
Made.
Ma'am, make.
Wrong. Make.
Yes. Made is the wrong word. Correct word is make. To make long journeys. They are born with this ability.
Ma'am, born. You are an English. You are an.
or
Ma'am, born.
Hmm. This is not intelligence. We call these instinct.
Ma'am, this.
This instead of these.
Ma'am, this.
Yes. Second line में था नहीं. Mean means intelligence. Means is correct. Intelligence singular word है. Okay. Okay. Ambesh, answer the first one. The next day during an break.
Can I answer now?
Hello.
can I answer?
Okay, Aditya.
I'm the
Aditya Raj.
I'm the
Yes. During the break. Second one. It's very simple. Jia Chauhan. Jia Chauhan. Jia, can you hear me? When all the teacher and students, what is the mistake in this line?
Teachers.
It's very simple. All the. So it should be all the.
Teachers.
Uh, all the should follow a plural subject. All the teachers and students was eating.
Ma'am, were eating होगा.
They're eating their snacks.
Were
yes, ma'am.
were were eating. Were eating their snacks. The mother left the school building hurriedly.
Ma'am, hurriedly होगा.
Hurriedly.
In a hurry.
होगा.
Hurriedly.
Hurriedly. The boy saw him walking.
Ma'am, saw her.
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 It's very simple. Saw her walking quickly from off the school gate.
Ma'am, at.
Out.
Out of the.
Yes. Yes, Pragya gave the correct answer. Out of the school gate. Out. Now, those who answer regularly, I can recognize their voice. Out of the school gate. Yes.
Ma'am,
When
drinking.
Drink.
when he was
Drinking water.
drinking.
Water.
Yes, drinking. Anuj, many in this answer many of you give. Drinking water after his meal and wonder.
Wondering.
Wondered.
Wondered.
Dog.
Wondered होना चाहिए.
I'm wondering होगा.
Ma'am wondered.
Wondered na hoga when he was
Wondered.
drinking water after his
Yes,
meal.
ma'am.
There is no-
Read it as a sentence. The boy saw him. The boy saw her walking quickly out of the school gate when he was drinking water after his meal, and wondered. Wondering is not fitting over here. Wondered where, where his mother
Was
Was going.
Was going.
was going. Okay. Although there is no direct evidence,
There. There होगा.
Ma'am,
There.
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 there. This there, what does it mean? Possession. कोई सामान किसी का है. Huh? This there is used for possession. Like this is their house. So you may get spelling mistakes or these kind of words which are often confused. Error में ये सब भी आ सकता है. So there. Although there is no direct evidence that salt is a cause of highly blood.
High blood. Ma'am, high blood
High.
pressure.
Yes. High blood pressure. High blood pressure. Although there is no direct evidence that salt is a cause of high blood pressure,
That reducing salt intake over.
Ma'am low.
Ma'am, lowest.
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 lowers. Some son. Avinash Kumar. Avinash, what is the mistake in this sentence? This fourth line. Some scientists are also. Right? Avinash. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
बताओ
some
आप-
scientists.
Yes.
Scientist.
Some have. Some is there, so you should have a plural word. Scientists are also concerned.
Ma'am, concerned.
Concerned.
Yes, concerned. Concerned that excessive use of salt may cause asthma.
Diseases.
Cause.
Cause.
Cause. Because with models, which form of the verb you use?
V1.
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 So may is also a model. So you cannot use the past tense. With any model, you can use only the present form of the verb. Can sing. You don't say can sang. Will go. You don't say will went. So with all the models, always the present verb. Then with two के साथ भी always the V1. So with two also you always use the V1. With models always use the V1. because asthma should not be deal with lightly.
Dealt.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anukul, you want to say something?
no, ma'am. I was just trying to
Okay.
say that.
Oh,
Yeah, ma'am.
should not be dealt. Huh? It is a passive sentence. Huh? Asthma should not be dealt with lightly, and in passive you always use the V3. Dealt with lightly. Okay. The this one there is a mistake. यहाँ तो हर होना चाहिए, उसके बाद करो. In this
Ma'am,
line
when
there is
she was still,
two errors, so I corrected one error. Chalo.
Ma'am, Mamta lost her father when she was still a child.
Yes,
She was.
Anuj, your answer was correct. Was still a child. Her uncle looked at all the property.
After.
After.
Yes, Supriya gave the correct answer. Supriya. Pragya also gave after all the property. Her uncle looked after all the property that she inherit from her
Inherited.
Inherited.
Had inherited.
inherited inherited from her father. Since a few years, her uncle worked very sincerely.
For a few years.
Yes, for a few years. Who will answer? Avnit. Avnit, can you hear me? Dheeraj. Dheeraj, can you hear me? No. Himanshu, today you're not answering. Himanshu Raj. Himanshu Raj, not present.
प्रेजेंट
आज तुम आंसर नहीं कर रहे हो. और सब दिन तो आंसर करते थे, आज क्या हो गया हिमांशु?
मैम माइक ऑन किया है वो.
हाँ, चलो आंसर करो. For a few years, her uncle worked very sincerely. Afterwards, he thinks.
Ma'am, thought.
Yes.
And this property would make me rich.
Uh, a thought, yes.
Can.
Thought. After he thought, this property should make me rich.
Can make
Can.
Ma'am, would.
Should.
Hello, am I audible?
Ma'am, this property would make me rich.
Would नहीं होगा. Can.
Ma'am, could. Ma'am, could.
Can.
This is direct speech, so this property could make me rich. The can is more suitable. This property can make me rich. How long should I kept serving my niece?
Keep.
Ma'am, keep.
How long should I keep serving my niece? I must do anything.
Something.
Yes. I must do something. Okay. Okay, this one is also a mistake. Read the paragraph as a whole. You will get the mistakes. It has been said
Everyone.
that,
It has
yes,
been said that everyone lives by.
yes, everyone.
Selling something or the other.
We'll answer the third.
Teachers live
Ayush,
by.
Ayush
By.
Ranjan. Yes, live by selling. Oh, Supriya gave the correct answer. Teachers, in the light of this statement, teachers live by selling knowledge, philosophers by selling wise.
Wisdom.
Yes, very good, Supriya. Wisdom. Yes. Philosophers, teachers live by selling knowledge, philosophers by selling wisdom, and priests by selling spiritual comfort.
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 It is extremely difficult.
Spiritual.
Extremely.
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 Yes, it is extremely difficult. Extremely difficult to estimate the true value for the
Of the
Of
service.
Of
life.
Of
Of the service.
Of
the service.
of the service. Of the service. Okay. आज- This one is repeated. So, कुछ कट गया. In this line there is no mistake. It takes a long time for a country to rebuild after. इसमें तो कोई mistake नहीं है. It takes a long time for a country to rebuild after an earthquake. So,
there may be.
हाँ?
There may be.
May or can. Rebuild cannot start. Who will answer? Himanshu? Rebuild cannot start.
rebuilding.
Yes, rebuilding. Rebuilding cannot start until all the aftershocks have stopped. हाँ? क्योंकि आफ्टर शॉक स्टॉप करने से पहले अगर कुछ बनाया जाता है तो फिर वो गिर सकता है. हाँ? So you have to understand the meaning of the passage. So rebuilding cannot start until all the aftershocks have stopped. This also there is no mistake. Rebuilding cannot start until all the aftershocks have stopped. यहाँ तक तो कोई गलती नहीं है. Aftershocks are small. In this also there is no mistake. So we'll move on to this line. इस line में खोजो गलती.
मैम become लगा सकते हैं.
क्या?
Becomes. Aftershocks becomes small tremors when shaking the ground after an earthquake.
नहीं बिकम नहीं, आफ्टर शॉक होता ही वही है. आफ्टर शॉक क्या होता है, जैसे कि एक मेन अर्थक्वेक आया, उसके बाद जो थोड़ा झटका जो लगता है, हल्का फुल्का जो हिलता है, तो वही आफ्टर शॉक्स है. तो
Okay, ma'am.
बिकम नहीं होगा, वो है ही. आफ्टर शॉक्स आर स्मॉल ट्रेमर्स व्हेन
Which?
दो मिस्टेक है ना इसमें. विच शेक द ग्राउंड. Aftershocks are small tremors. Two mistakes. Which shaking the ground तो नहीं ठीक लग रहा. Maybe printing mistake भी होता है कभी कभी. Which shake the ground after an earthquake. When rebuilding starts, new buildings may
Must
be.
be.
Must
Must be.
must
Must be.
yes, must be very carefully planned. एक बार आपको झटका लग गया तो आगे केयरफुल रहेंगे, नहीं ऐसा फिर कुछ हो. must be very carefully planned. Sometimes they are built on huge
They
blocks.
here.
So here also there is no mistake. Sometimes they are built on. Last one.
Absorb any.
Earthquakes.
ये तो मुझे भी लगता
Ma'am,
है.
how is there a no?
Absorb any.
हाँ? What
And
is it?
Absorb any.
Yeah, ma'am. It could be any.
Advait, you want to say something? Any further? Actually, someone is mic is on. So, built on huge blocks of rubber that will absorb no further earthquakes or will absorb any further. Sometimes they are built on huge blocks of rubber that will absorb. नहीं, any कैसे होगा? That will absorb any further earthquakes.
earthquakes होना चाहिए.
Earthquakes होना चाहिए. any से फिर meaning उसका ये हो जाएगा ना. तो you have to understand the meaning of the passage. Then only you can get all the answers right. यहाँ कहने passage का मतलब ये है कि they are built on big blocks of rubber that will absorb no further earthquakes. Means the rubber will not absorb the earthquakes and then it will not affect the building. Base rubber का है तो वो earthquake को absorb नहीं करेगा. So you have to understand the meaning of the passage and then only you. It's already time. So I'm ending the class. एक और करना है क्या? बोलो.
37 seconds are left.
You're tired or you want to do one more? Okay, let it be. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay. So all of you have done your holiday homework? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
You can send the slides in PDF form. Of course, when the school will reopen, we